All right, guys, going live, and probably these are distracting you just at the beginning. I'm gonna skip this one. Uh, I had a failure of the first one, the first live stream from the phone for some reasons. Anyways, guys, we hit today 25,000 subscribers. That's why I'm making this live for you, because we hit this thanks to you, actually, guys. This is the live stream, so first few minutes, everyone who can will joining. Muka is as always first. Thank you so much, my friend. In the background is my own drone shots. I hope so that's not distracting you. Anyways, many of you guys gonna watch this live stream as the playback later on, because currently it's 2 5 past 2 o'clock daytime in Bali, local time. Some of you just waking up, some of you going sleep, some of you working right now, and some of you, especially in America, you sleeping right now. So it's really hard to making live stream what is suitable for everyone. Technical difficulties are fixed currently. I had to open this on the laptop. I don't know why. Was from my camera, from my phone, wasn't work properly. It was like horizontal, like this one, supposed to be like this one, but was like this one vertically. Actually, I'm holding my coffee, so always coffee time. Cheers, guys. Welcome all. Anyway, 21 people already in the first 1 minute. So, like I said already, we just hit 25,000 subscribers today, this morning. So thank you so much, all. This is thanks to you. If you have any questions, just you can comment below, especially in the live chat. Now, when I'm sitting at home in my living room right now, I can read it. I can make a conversation with you, because usually I couldn't do it, especially when walking on the street. Sun facing to me, I have to walk where I'm step. Footpaths sometimes are bumpy. You have to be careful, very careful of the cars, motorbikes. So that's why when I used to do the live streams, like walking on the streets, was very hard for me, obviously, right? But when I'm sitting at home, I can have a laptop, I have my phone, I have a tablet somewhere here. I can read your comments. Also, let me know if you can hear me properly, because this is microphone from the laptop, and I never do it before actually like that. So let me know, and I'm gonna enjoy my coffee while reading your comments. Cheers. Jesus, my eyes are so bad. I need to read from my phone. Cannot see properly. Thank you so much, everyone, for the congratulations wishes. Guys, just let me know. Can you hear me properly? Just very important. If it's something wrong with the sound, I can still change it. Hello, congratulations, thank you so much. Hello, been away on holidays, haven't been able to watch your videos for weeks. That's no problem. I know, guys, when you're on the holidays, you don't have a time to watching my videos. I really understand. Whenever I'm travel outside Bali, I also watching less of the YouTube of the people who I subscribe personally. That's pretty normal. I really understand. However, if you are still being with me when you come back home, I really appreciate that. 25K milestone, Damian and Winnie. Thank you so much. I'm coming in December. How real is the fast track at the airport? That's interesting question, actually. I've heard people paying and getting nothing at the airport. Guys, this is actually a very interesting question somebody asked. In the airport, I have a kitas, right? So I'm going like Indonesian people, just passing all the queue, because there is special lane for the people who have a special visa in Indonesia, and it's easy. It's taking me 5 minutes literally, but overall the queue is pretty long, and there is some service whenever you book tickets or you are going to the airport's website. There is some service of the fast track. I never use it, but I know it exists. I met once guy, he said he paid 25 or 30 euros and he was like 5 minutes. I don't know how he do it exactly, but it is something like that. It's possible. So yeah. All right, sounds is good, loud and clear. It's fine. You can hear, I can hear you. Congratulations, we have 30 people already. Party time. Well, I have only for party time, I have a coffee, that's my party. Cheers. And amazing, well deserved, congratulations. Thank you. Thank you for answers all of my questions on Instagram, guys. Yes, if you want to have a contact with me or Winnie more directly, more quicker, like a fast response, you have to follow me on Instagram and text me on Instagram. Because, with the emails, it's like every day I'm getting so many emails. Many of them, they are spams. When you're getting some certain level of subscribers, like now especially, you're getting every single day so many emails like they want to try this, and this, which is mostly 99% is spam. So sometimes for the email, I have a difficulties to answer you. Also, if you have an email, there are many messages landing directly into spam folder, what I'm visiting once every month, if I'm lucky. So if you haven't subscribed me on Instagram yet, you can do it here. I'm showing you right now on the screen, the Monkeys YouTube. That's my Instagram. If you're going to text me now, I will read the message and I will answer. Maybe not just literally right now because I'm doing the live stream, but you got what I mean. I'm going to type also Instagram details for everyone in the live stream chat. So you can do it. Also, you can see some after scenes. Sometimes we are going just with Winnie for dinner or Summer for coffee or something. We just don't vlog it at that time, but we still make an Insta story and showing you where we are. So if you want to follow us more, a little bit more private life, you can do it on Instagram. I'm typing right now the details. The Monkeys YouTube. That's it. The Monkeys YouTube all together on Instagram. All right, what we have here. I hope so the video over here don't distract you, but I wanted to make some nice background because I'm sitting at home. So like I said, when many people comment, text me something, this is the only way how I can interact with you. And this is the purpose of today's live stream, by the way. So congratulations, perfect sound. I'm happy to hear that. Sounds good. Thanks for answer. Congratulations. Continue to reach for 100,000. The 100,000 is gorgeous. Of course, also when you hit 100,000 subscribers, YouTube gonna send you like a silver plaque, special sign with congratulations directly from YouTube headquarters, which is silver. I mean, not really silver, but looks silver. So I can put somewhere next to me TV or here or somewhere. And this is like a really proud moment for every YouTuber. They're sending only for 100,000 subscribers, 1 million and 10 million. Not sure if I ever gonna hit 10 million. However, 100,000 for sure. I will do everything to make it. And I wish to hit the 1 million subscribers in the future as well. So that will be very cool. All right. What we have, all good. A little bit slow with the reading the comments and answering. Have you been in memorial service last night in Kuta? No, I didn't because it was 20 years. I've been last year. I used to film last year on 19th anniversary. And well, I was busy yesterday and I didn't really want to do it for many reasons. It's also Bata, I feel very sorry for them. If you would like to watch ceremony from last year, you can find this on my YouTube channel. Actually, is the title like this one. All right, what we have here, we won't meet you next year because this year we cannot meet you. Hope. Sure, next year, whenever you're coming, guys, like I said, send me the private message. Even, next year, this year, tomorrow, doesn't really matter. If I have a time, I can always come meet you for coffee or drink. With Winnie, it's only dinner time and weekend time, but it's possible, of course. So yeah, hi Damian, thank you for all your videos. I would like to meet you when we come to Bali. Sure, so you should do Bali meetups. Would definitely get you more viewers too. Where does Winnie work? Damian needs some speakers for his TV. Let him stop. Damian needs hello, it's so cool. He needs some speakers for the TV. Let's get him hit to 100 subscribers. And here we go, the ad is playing. I need to skip it. We just moved in a few months ago, 2 months ago, and it's like a little bit messy. So I'm not gonna show you around my living room, only the TV. And But Yeah, if we hit 100,000 subscribers, it definitely will be helpful for us with everything. Not only about having the silver plaque from YouTube, but also just in general, it will help us a lot. This is very important. If you haven't subscribed yet, just do it now, because I have access to all the statistics on YouTube. So whenever you watch my video and you don't watch till the end, I know as you don't do it. I don't know who exactly, but I can find out from which country and how long have you guys watched it. So I know as like my audience, the mostly is coming from Australia, Indonesia, Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, and Europe, Germany, Dutch, Holland, little bit from Poland, and also American, US. There's actually quite a lot of big chop of the people from US. And I know some countries watching me longer, some countries watching me lower. I don't have a much audience from Indonesia too. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet, and you can do it now, it's very important actually. Whenever 70% of people every single day, they watch me, but they don't subscribe. So that's when you search my name manually in the YouTube's engine, which is cool. But YouTube is thinking a little bit differently. This is like automatic system. So subscribing and having a big thumb up, like like the video, what is even this one or this different one, yesterday's or today's one, is very important. Bali meetups one day I will do for sure. That's 100 for sure. But maybe when I'm gonna have a more like a 100,000 subscribers, because having 25, it's a lot, but it's not as that big number. Like organizing some party or something, you need to rent the place or reserve the place and everything. So that must be at least like 100 people, 50 people, 100 people to come. That will be very interesting, interactive for everyone. If it will be 5 people or 10 people come, because of course not everybody are in Bali right now. It's like not too early for the meetups in Bali, in my opinion. But I can also, whenever you are guys in Bali, I can meet you. That's no problem. Will Winnie do the more food videos? It will. She will. Time. Maybe next year she will have more time. We will do the more videos. I also trying to make some more traffic in her channel, but I cannot tell you anything more right now. If you didn't leave Sanur, where would you live in Bali? That's a very good question. We actually were talking with Winnie about that some time ago. It depends of budget, obviously. If budget, your money simply is not really bother you, you are financially very stable, I would like to live in Pererenan, actually, to be honest, which is between Canggu and Tabanan. This is little bit because Winnie is coming from Tabanan, but also this area is opinion. We live in Sanur mostly because it's kind of affordable, and also Winnie office is in Sanur, in Renon, very close to Sanur anyway. So that's one of the main reasons. If I would like to choose, I will choose living in Pererenan. I will also consider to live in Uluwatu, but in Uluwatu maybe, I don't know, depends what I will do for living for my life, right? All right, what we have here. Look forward to watching you every day. Love your content and always love seeing what lovely things Winnie wears. Thank you so much. Thank you, Nikki. Internet in Bali and Indonesia sometimes is slow. Even today when I was uploading video, because after this live stream there will be video at 4 o'clock. That's nothing has changed. This live stream is just additional bonus. It was actually very, very slow upload time today, so sorry about that, but it will be on time, don't worry. Thank you so much, bro. What's Winnie's channel? Makan Chantik. I'm gonna type now on the live chat the name of the Winnie's channel. However, she have only 8 videos or 6 videos, 8 videos, and she didn't upload anything since long time. So, but it's definitely she will come back to doing the foodie videos whenever she's gonna have a more time. I heard there are some clubs in Canggu are closing due to overpopulation and local complaints and moving them to Uluwatu. Is it true? To be honest, I don't know. I never heard about this one. People, as the locals, complain about the beach club because of loud music. That's everywhere they complain, because I mean there are many people who love beach clubs and many people who don't like it. So I don't know. Actually, I don't know. I mean, I don't know how they can move beach club or anything in general, especially if somebody build a venue what is cost millions of dollars, because literally some of them they cost millions of dollars. I don't know how they can move it. It's not the car or plane or something like that. However, yeah, Uluwatu is booming right now regarding the beach clubs. So many new beach clubs are established in Uluwatu. Even this beach club, what we made last few days ago, what was the name? White Rock. If you're looking for the venue peacefully, how much they invest money, this is like at least $10 million investment just for the venue. So that's serious business for them. And well, Canggu and Uluwatu is number one regarding the beach clubs. Either we like it or not, and we will see what's the future gonna bring it to this market, because it's not easy and it's a little bit controversial about them. Is Lombok vibe like Sanur? Lombok is a little bit different. Lombok, when I was last time with Winnie, it was very quiet. I don't know how is it now, but well, this is a little bit like, it's just very quiet in Lombok. So you have to go to visit Lombok, or you can watch my videos, because I've been in Lombok at least 3 times during my YouTube career, and there are some videos from Lombok. Where next? Where I gonna travel next? I will answer maybe later on. Here's another video, another topic. Will you do some live videos, walking videos? I love these ones. I will, maybe one day soon. Depends. I was thinking to come back to them maybe in winter time, when more people are gonna be at home, because currently still many people traveling. And if the live stream have less than 100 people watching, I mean, this one is like now 40 people or 50 people right now, it's all right. But if it's like when you are walking, this is actually very hard to do, and not so many people watching, it's like little bit disappointing, I could say. So which is your favorite place to vlog, hang out? It depends. If I'm tired, I like Sanur because it's next door to me and I know everything and everyone there, so it's easy. I like hang out in Uluwatu, actually, to be honest, but it's pretty far from the place where we live. Keep up the good videos and vlogs. I will, for sure. If I personally, before I start YouTube channel, actually I used to hang out in Uluwatu quite a lot. I really like it. Canggu was also okay, but at that time Canggu and Uluwatu was a little bit different, because even before the pandemic times, there was like not so much was going on. There was in Uluwatu there was only Karma Kandara and Sundays Beach Club. We are like not really even beach clubs. They are, I mean, they had tables and stuff like on the beach, literally, and some restaurant. Now we have so many beach clubs, like a proper huge beach clubs in Bali, everywhere, in Uluwatu and Canggu. So that's will change. But previously, I really liked going to Sundays Beach Club, and I really liked at that time the La Brisa in Canggu, what we also made the videos currently. But La Brisa at that time, there was the only one place, and there was the Finns. I never liked Finns, to be honest, before, and I don't really like either now. So yeah. Have you been to Lembonan? How long to go is the good length to stay there? I've been in Lembonan many times. You can find many videos on my YouTube channel from Lembonan and from Penida. It depends what you are looking. If you are looking for relax, you can go there even for 1 or 2 weeks. Me, after 2 days, I'm getting bored personally, but I need to have something around me. Currently, I really like big cities because so much is going on. So I need something what is going on around. So it depends what you are looking for. If you are looking for relax, Nusa Lembonan is great. If you're looking for some activities, after 2 days, you're going to get bored. That's for sure. Yes, makes it hard with the time difference to be able to watch sometimes. Of course, like I mentioned at the beginning of the live stream, the time zones is the biggest problem. In America, people right now sleep. In Europe, just waking up and going to work. In New Zealand, they're going sleep. So, it's like that. Now is the best time in Asia, but, that's how it is. Stay healthy during your actions. Thank you so much. Happy for you. Been watching since almost 2 years. Very positive person. Wish you success. Thank you so much. How many subscribers with YouTube before you start making some money? The YouTube subscribers are very difficult. It's actually subscribers have nothing with that. This is more complicated. You can Google about that, all about the YouTube channel. It's actually currently is very difficult. Do you believe Jimbaran and Ungasam areas will be the next tourist location in the future, the way things are expanding now in Bali? Hi, I love your vlogs, especially during lockdown. We finally arrive Bali next week. I hope so you're gonna enjoy. I will answer to the question, do you believe Jimbaran and Ungasan areas will be the next tourist location in the future, the way things are expanding now in Bali? Uluwatu, especially Uluwatu, everything, what is the ocean front, the coastal, like Melasti, where is the Omnia, Omnia now is Savaya. There are so many actually clubs or fancy restaurants, fancy venues. This area will definitely be another tourist hotspot in the future. There's actually very interesting story about the Uluwatu and Ungasam, because like long time ago there was like nobody was there, nothing was there. There was the time in the history of Bali where government was giving the land to the people from Denpasar to move to living in Ungasam to Uluwatu, and they was getting land for free from the government just to get out from Denpasar and live in Uluwatu. And nobody wanted to take it because there was the problem with the water. There was dry, you couldn't plant the rice, you couldn't build the house because you will have no water. So nobody wanted to take it. But some people who are less fortunate, they took it, or they were brave enough, they took it. And then suddenly, if they were wise and wait properly and they sold the land to this fancy beach club in the right time, they become, their life changed 100%, 360 degree, so everything is changing in Bali, and definitely Uluwatu will booming. Definitely. In Jimbaran, nothing really has changed since I know it. Since first time I've been in Bali, it's pretty the same. How is it now? And for some reason, even Jimbaran have, in my opinion, very good location. It's very close to the airport, similar like Kuta, never become so popular. And I don't think so will become popular right now either. Maybe in the very late future, but not in the next few years, definitely. Where do you find your house? Facebook? We found the house. Mostly you can look from the Facebook groups. That's actually pretty all right, looking the local house. If you're looking for a villa, it will be different. If you're looking for just the house, Facebook groups are really good. Also some local websites in local language in Indonesian. But many people advertising now on the Facebook marketplace. I don't have a Facebook, but Winnie have it. She looked for it. Cheers, guys. I'm gonna finish my coffee. If you have any questions more, let me know. I'm gonna answer now about where are my future travels. So currently I'm planning one of my journey in Asia, in Southeast Asia. I wanna visit 4 or 5 countries within 2 weeks period. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make it 100%, but if I'm gonna make it, that's gonna be very, very interesting tour, because I'm gonna visit 2 countries what I currently have been and 2 countries what I never been, and many things. Actually, there's gonna be very, very busy schedule, so we'll be like boom, 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 boom. You go, film. Not even sure if I will be able at that time to make videos every single day. So probably video will be every second day or something like that. However, I'm not sure about that. I will let you know when I'm gonna finalize my creating the schedule, and if that will happen, because the airfares, the plane tickets and everything is actually pretty expensive currently, even in Asia. So we will see. But if that will happen, that will be super cool. If that will not happen, as I will have to be limited by the budget, I will do something in the low cost. And if I'm gonna do something low cost, either I'm gonna go for a month to Bangkok, and I'm gonna just stay in Bangkok and push Bangkok as much as possible, or I'm gonna go to Vietnam, because I really would like to come back to Vietnam. And Vietnam is actually a very nice place to film again. So we will see the situation. Also during the Christmas and New Year, we're gonna travel with Winnie together somewhere. So that's also will be very interesting and exciting time, especially during the Christmas, because last 6 or 7 years in the row I spent Christmas in Bali. So it's great time, great opportunity to go somewhere. All right, what we have next. Where is local life mostly in Denpasar? Damian, would you consider Chiang Mai, Thailand? Yes, I would consider to go to Chiang Mai in Thailand. Actually, okay, Chiang Mai in Thailand is one of my list of this very busy schedule of traveling in the next 4 or 5 countries. However, if I will go to Bangkok, I will just try to rent somewhere outside the Bangkok city center, like downtown of Bangkok, some condominium for monthly, which is usually very, very good price for that, because you can find something for very affordable. But for sure, I will go to Chiang Mai because I never been. It's very interesting to go there. And also Chiang Mai seems to be very affordable, actually, which is, definitely worth to go. When do you think you will go to visit your family? That's a very hard question, actually. To be honest, me and Winnie, we had the tickets to going to Poland, where I'm coming from originally, in April 2020. But guys, what's happened in April 2020, right? So everything were postponed till now. And this is a little bit sad story, because currently my brother is in hospital, actually, in UK. He's living in UK. My parents getting older a little bit, but there are many reasons why I cannot go to Poland currently, mostly financially, to be honest. Flying to Europe right now is not really cheap. So I hope so we can do it in summer 2023, next year, where we're gonna get holidays. There are big holidays in Indonesia, so she can take like a 2 weeks holiday at that time, and we're gonna go to Poland. I hope so, if we're gonna hit 50,000 subscribers, guys. if you guys gonna keep watching my videos and subscribing and all of this stuff, will be easier for me. If not, I'm not sure how I'm gonna make it yet, to be honest. I'm traveling in Asia because thanks to that I hit 25,000 subscribers yesterday, this morning. Otherwise, I will still be around 20,000 if I only go making videos in one place. So I have to make it smart, make it wisely, start traveling around where it's still very affordable. And if everything gonna work like it's supposed to be, like should, it will be cool. If not, I don't know. Let's see. Why is the image doesn't work behind me? Must be slow internet, as Nikki said. Damian, would you consider Chiang Mai? When do you think you will go? Have you thought going to Japan? Yes, I wish to go to Japan, actually. Always wanted to go, especially after watching the Tokyo Drift, of course. I like cars, so that will be very interesting. Japan is very interesting. I wish to go, but to go to Japan is very expensive. Actually, Japan is considered as one of the most expensive countries in Asia. It's actually probably more expensive than Singapore, and also you have to travel everywhere around. It's not like only staying in Tokyo. So it will be very hard, very hard. I don't know where I'm gonna go. Maybe probably in the level when I'm gonna hit something like 100,000 subscribers or something like that. Maybe. I hope so. Definitely not in this year. Except that some miracle will happen. That's why not. But after that, I just cannot do it currently. Thank you so much, everyone, for the congratulations. Even the bro Lim is online today. Yeah, guys, if you have any more questions, just let me know. The live stream is currently half hour. If I skip any questions, I'm reading them now. So yeah, I will focus on Southeast Asia right now. and then we will see. I also would like to make a trip around Europe. Actually, it's very interesting to show Europe on YouTube as well. I know many of you guys are European like me, but for everyone who are living in other parts of the world and different continents, many of you never had opportunity to be in Europe actually. And to be honest, even I born in Europe, and I used to spend some time in Europe. Mostly when I was teenager at that time, I didn't actually explore much of Europe. I've been in a few countries in Europe, but I didn't explore too much. I didn't been in my country for more than 5 years, like almost 6 years in Poland. So I will feel probably like a tourist going to my own country right now because it's changed so much. The internet is very slow, as you can see. I have a very good internet in the house. In case if you are living in Bali and interested to having your own internet, I have a business 100 megabytes per second, but seems like even the YouTube and live stream at the same time have a problems to handle it. So they rip me off, I could say. No, I'm just joking. Sometimes the internet working better, sometimes it's working slower. I think that's pretty normal too, right? It's not that stable. What we have here? Have you thought of going to Japan? Congrats. Will you come to Australia? Uh, will you come to Australia? This is actually a very good question. I've been in Australia 2 times. I've been once in Perth, and I was once in Adelaide. And my flights were cancelled in Adelaide because I fly the Jetstar, and the Jetstar canceled my flight, which is something very common, I heard. And then they give me the options to stay 24 hours in Adelaide and come back from Adelaide to Bali, the same Jetstar, or they give me the Qantas flights to Sydney and from Sydney to Bali, but I had to wait 8 hours in Sydney. So you know what I took? Of course, I go to Sydney because I never been, so I had the opportunity to be in Sydney, and then I back to Bali by Qantas. That was including my cancelled Jetstar flight, and also there was the hotel and everything included at the time. But that was in 2019, 2020, before I start YouTube channel. It was very cool. I was to go to make some videos in Australia. Also got some invitation from somebody from Perth, so I could crash in somebody's house, actually in the sofa or something. So I could keep some money on accommodation. So I could potentially do it, but also I will need to drive in Australia, and my international driving license from Poland is expired. And as I know, I cannot use my Indonesian license in Australia, so I couldn't drive. So I need to go to Europe first to extend my international driving license and then go to Australia. Otherwise, it doesn't make sense because, well, in Australia, you have to drive there. I mean, maybe in the city center, no, but like in Sydney or in Perth. But if you want to see something more, you have to drive, right? Congratulations, come to Perth, you can crash here. Oh, see, I have many invitations to come to Perth actually. So and the flight tickets to Perth, if you look for the gap, because of course if I'm gonna want to go tomorrow, it's pretty expensive, but if you're looking for gap, you can find for the actually pretty good price. So potential, and 3 hours flight, the same time zone, stuff like this. I've been already once, so yeah, probably if I'm gonna go to Australia, the Perth will be first destination. But you see, I have now many actually people from Australia comment, come to Queensland, come to Adelaide, come to India. Also, the good question about the India. Next year, I'm really planning to go to India. I don't plan too much yet about my India trip. I don't know which cities, which parts of India, how long, because that, of course, depends on many circumstances. But definitely, I would like to visit India next year. Airfares back to Fort Australia to Denpasar are very expensive now. Yeah, I was checking actually the flights. Sorry, guys, between Australia. I met somebody yesterday actually on the beach also saying because the flights to Sydney is like Bali, Sydney is like $1,000 or something like that. But I was checking the price to going to Perth. One way from Bali to Perth is $4 million, which is $400. It's pretty expensive because if I want to go to India tomorrow, the flight is approximately less than that, because flights from Malaysia to India is 2.5 million, and I can get 1 million flight to Malaysia. So flying to India is cheaper currently, and it's much more far, right? So yeah, definitely I will visit Malaysia again. That's 100%. Definitely I will go to Singapore. Guys, the golden triangle in Asia is actually Malaysia, Singapore, Bangkok, Thailand in general. So these countries are actually the easiest for me to do it, to cover. I also know, especially Malaysia and Singapore, I know very well. Spent some time in Bangkok, in Thailand last time. I wouldn't mind to know Thailand more than that. So that's the golden triangle, what is very easy to repeat. But also Vietnam is very easy for me to get. I would like to go to Philippines as well. I would like to visit Cambodia and the other countries in Southeast Asia what I haven't visited yet. But it's all depends on many things. So we will see. Damian, come to North Queensland, Aussie land. We'll look for you and Winnie. For sure, one day I will try to visit as much as possible in Australia as well. I would like to go to New Zealand as well. Actually, I would like to go everywhere, maybe except the North Korea, I know. But after that, and Russia right now, I don't want to go there. But everywhere is nice. In general, I really like to travel. I used to travel before pandemic times and before YouTube as well. But now everything is changing. I'm becoming more into YouTuber traveler. So more travel for me is better. That's for sure. There will be some sales. Somebody comment here right now. Definitely. I mean, I was actually reading how to make a video. There are some people who make a YouTube videos in North Korea. Some popular YouTubers who have millions of subscribers and everything. But overall, you have many people next to you, and you have to have for everything permission. And if you're gonna show something or say one word too much, you may never get out from North Korea. So maybe if I will be on the stage of completing every single country in the world, there are some people actually who visited every single country in the world, and the North Korea is one of them. Either they like it or not, I will take it as the last position. But yeah. Well, it's actually, maybe I will not make a video there. Maybe I will make a 1-minute video. Okay, guys, I'm in North Korea. I will see you tomorrow. That's it, because that's probably what will be the safest. Flight prices to and from Sydney for January are ridiculous. My laptop have something here. Hold on. My daughter looking, and it's 2,000 per person on Jetstar. So that's actually ridiculous, because $2,000 from Sydney to, it's like a lot of money, right? It's like ticket to Europe nearly. I mean, some countries from Europe have a cheaper flight, some more expensive. Currently, I was looking, actually, you can have for less than 1,000 Australian dollars. I mean, like for 700 Australian dollars, like 500 US, you can go to Paris from Asia. So it's actually not that bad from Bali. But also for everyone who are looking to go to Europe or from Europe to Asia, the trick is you go usually from Amsterdam or from Paris or from London directly to Bangkok, and from Bangkok you fly wherever you want, or going to Kuala Lumpur. These two cities, Kuala Lumpur, Bangkok, and Singapore, of course, the three actually golden triangle, like I mentioned before, that's the best connections to going to Europe. And also you can try to go to Istanbul, and from Istanbul go to Europe wherever you like. You just simply avoid going directly, because if you try to go directly, it's super expensive usually. Do you know when Bali will stop the mandates? I have no idea, my friend. Totally have no idea. I don't know. I don't know. We want you to short travel vlogs and not want to get shouted. That's how does it work, man. What is your favorite Indonesian food? My favorite Indonesian food, I don't really eat too much Indonesian food, but I like mie ayam, which is similar to the Polish soup what we have, like a chicken soup with the noodles. It's actually very similar to the one Polish dish. That's why I like it. Also like any kind of fried fish with the spicy soup. And of course the satay. But mostly the satay, what I like the most is actually one of the rarest one, which is satay tuna. Just interesting fact. What is your favorite? Babi Gulin. Winnie loves Babi Gulin. Actually, I don't like it, but Winnie loves it. Her favorite food in Bali. Guys, if you have any more questions, just please let me know. I will handle this live stream to 3 o'clock. So for next 15 minutes, and then I will go make another video for tomorrow. As always, guys, I'm making videos every single day, so I have no time like to what was Hotman Paris like? He's I didn't talk to him too much, just little bit. He seems like pretty decent guy. Because he wants to be actually he one thing about the Hotman Paris is that is he just simply I ask him, can I have a picture with you, and I make a picture, I make a video with him, and I talk, when I switch off the camera a little bit with him, and he seems actually a very decent guy, because I met many people who are popular or even less popular than him or more popular than him, and they was like just ignoring me. Who you are, I don't have time for you or something, but he seems like he's very legit. So yeah, nothing bad to say. Pretty cool guy. Where are you off today? I'm not sure actually. If Winnie gonna finish earlier, because she said that she gonna finish earlier, we're gonna go to Jimbaran, but she's feeling not really well, so I'm not sure. If not Jimbaran, something more, something different. I always have to think about something where to go. This ads may distract you a little bit, huh? But that's how does it work like. That's the very nice shot from Uluwatu. Was the time when was the ship cruising around from the single fin. Actually, I like single fin to hanging out, especially for the sunset time. This is the place what I really like actually to hanging around in Uluwatu. It's called single fin. Area single fin, Blue Point, so Laban Beach actually, to be honest. So I like to hanging out there for the sunset or for the breakfast. But breakfast is very hard because after 9 o'clock it's super hot there. So I will have to go at 7 from Sanur to get there. But this is one of my favorite spots to hang out. What you can see actually in the TV behind me. I've vlogged there many times, but this is definitely one of my favorite spots to hang out. For somebody who asked me previously, I loved your Singapore trip. Raffles was beautiful and the lights at nights. Of course, Singapore is really cool. I really like Singapore, one of my favorite destinations in the world. Definitely, I will try to going to Singapore on regular basis. Usually in Singapore, I do like that as I book the ticket like 3 months up front, so it's very cheap, because usually I book tickets for less than $100. Going to Singapore, and I book hotels and everything in Singapore earlier, so I can make it in the low budget. And because it's Singapore, I can go wherever I want there. So yeah, definitely. And I would like to go during the Christmas there to Singapore, because they are actually really nice vibes. The Christmas vibes there. Where are you off today? Do you cook Polish food in your home? No, I don't cooking at all. And trust me, you don't want to see me cooking or trying to cook anything. Just trust me. I can make a cappuccino. I have a coffee machine at home. So cheers. It's Italian anyway. But I'm definitely not cooking. I loved your Singapore. What's the worst thing you have seen in Bali? Like a crime. A good food travel vlog would be in Bado is famous for culinary. That's I heard that, but I'm not really into foodie YouTuber. I'm actually, guys, wherever I travel, I force myself to film the food. You know what I mean? I force myself. Actually, I should hold the lamp, maybe because the light is a little bit not good. I will put this light, will be better quality of my face video. It's getting darker already. So I'm not really into foodie YouTuber. I really force myself to filming the food. I just simply don't really like it, don't really enjoying filming myself, but making the food. But Winnie love it. So whenever in the future we're gonna travel together, Winnie gonna always do the scenes, doing the shots of the food. And also as the bonus, she will have her own channel dedicated only to the food. So needs time to develop more. 25,000 subscribers is the great start, the great base for the future development, but it's still far to be, comfortable, to being comfortable. The comfort zone is starting from at least 100,000 plus, 100, 150. Now it's inflation and all of this stuff, so even 200. But yeah, that's how it is. But it's good beginning. I hope so. We're gonna make it one day. What's the worst good food? Will you ever be used by? will you ever be used to the heat of Southeast Asia? I don't think so. Honestly, it's so hard for me. I'm living here for many years, but the heat in Southeast Asia in general is like, it's hard. Maybe because when I was young, right? When I was like 10 years old, I was going to school and there was the winter, as I had so much clothes on me and it was minus 30 degree. The rule in Poland at that time was as must be minus 32 degree. So the schools can be closed. If it was minus 31, you still sit in the classroom and you still have to go to the school. So it's like 60-degree difference between what I had when I was born and what I have now. So I don't know, maybe when I'm very old, when I'm over 20, 30, 40 years in Southeast Asia, I can adapt to this heat. But currently, it's hard. It's just simply hard. Congratulations, Damien. Winnie will be great in Bandung phone vlogging. You can go for a full month worth of videos. Yeah, but like I said, with Winnie. What's the worst thing you have seen in Bali? Like crime? I was the victim of the crime, actually. To be honest, somebody robbed us. I lost like $2,000 US, more than $2,000 US last year during the COVID time, when you remember maybe. Many of you actually helped me at that time later on, so I really appreciate that. That was one of the breaking moments, actually, because I usually see that, but now I was experienced by myself. And that was like a little bit of losing hope and losing like trust. But that was COVID times, pandemic times. But overall, many accidents, actually. I can see many accidents, especially motorbike accidents in Bali. And this is actually the most painful to see. Nowadays, when the traffic is more busier than during the pandemic times, and the petrol is very expensive in Bali, because petrol price in Bali is the same like in Poland right now, which is hilarious, ridiculous, especially with the minimum wages in Indonesia. Petrol is very expensive, and many people, maybe they are not happy, start driving aggressively a little bit. So you can see more and more accidents on the roads, especially by motorbikes. So this is also one of the reasons why I drive a car in Bali, for the safety reason. And of course, it's hot. So if you have a car, you have an aircon and stuff like this. But after that, for the safety reason. So this is the worst. Actually, after that, I didn't see anything like super extremely like big crimes or something like shooting on the middle of the streets like in US, or people coming with your knife and put you on your neck, like happened to me once in Northern Ireland, actually. So it's not that bad. It's still peaceful place in the world. What is the price of the petrol in Bali? So Pertamax, which is 91 octane or 92 octane. The numbers of octanes here are a little bit complicated. However, it's not really good quality like a petrol. It's 14,000 right now, because there was 14,500. Now they changed into 13,900 local currency. So I'm gonna quickly take a calculator. I'm gonna check it. How much is it in in US, for instance? For the 292 octane, which is like 90 cents, 450 in Polish currency. But if you want to have you driving nice car, you need to buy the better petrol, which is 98 octane, and this is cost you like now like something like 18,000 rupiah, which is like $17, euro 20. It's like almost $2 per liter. It's pretty expensive, like for these standards, because we have to take advantage of in Indonesia, the lowest salary and everything is still very small. So, but this is petrol for the rich people, something like that. What is the bot? Have to. Sorry for the. Every live stream suffers some sort of bots. That's unbelievable. Congratulations for 25,000 subscribers. I only drive in sun or were quiet as well. How much was the Jimny Touran that you had for a month? I only drive in Uluwatu where it's quiet. Yeah, Uluwatu, Sanur, Tabanan is pretty good to drive the car. If you start coming to Kutaleg and Seminyak, Canggu, Ubud, it's can be stressful. For me, I'm driving like already for many years, so it's no big deal. But for somebody who have no experience to driving in Asia, going to Canggu at Saturday, yeah. Jimny I pay, but that was during the COVID, the pandemic times. I paid like 2 million per month. But if you want to have something better car, you have to pay for about 3.5, 4.5 million per month for the small city car like Toyota Agya, Honda Brio, Suzuki Splash, or something like that. And if you want to have a better and better car, they will be more and more expensive. All right. So that was like when I was renting long time ago. So I don't know. Yo, bro, Mick, my moderator is in. Bro, can you remove this Tinder guy from my chat, because I don't know how to do it, and I'm handle the live stream. Some bots arrive. Sorry about that. Hi everyone, congratulations, Damian and Winnie. I will be Sanur on Tuesday. Welcome to Bali. Welcome to Sanur, guys. It's almost time to finish my live stream. But because I start 10 minutes later, I will keep 10 minutes longer. So I will keep my live stream for another 10 minutes, guys. Let me know, what would you like to know? I don't know when I'm gonna make another live stream like this one. With the live streams like this one, if you make too often, it's also not good. So, let's see. How much do you think to buy Jimny? To buy Jimny is not a big problem, but it's gonna be broken every time. They are old. They are Suzuki in general. So you can buy some Jimny in pretty decent shape for 35 million. Something between 30, 40 million. 40 million will be already good shape. But if you're gonna drive only, from your house to the beach, should be okay. But if you're gonna start driving more, be prepared for that, as will be broken very often, and you have to fix it. And if you have time to fix it, it's still okay. But if gonna be broken on the middle of the road and you are not the mechanic, that's gonna be very expensive. But overall, 30, 40 million, it's pretty old car, and it's still Suzuki. I used to drive this for 5 months. A lot of fun, actually. You don't care on the potholes, there are potholes, speed bumps, and all of these things on the roads. You don't care, it's Jimny. And it's not really comfortable if you are sizes of me, like 185 centimeters tall and everything. Painful for the long distances. NMAX is perfect bike for Bali. I like NMAX. I had NMAX long time ago. PCX is also nice. I would like to have a Vespa as well, but I'm not driving in Bali by motorbike currently anyways. I'm more into cars for many reasons. So also for the price of new Vespa, you can have a car, second-hand car. So keep it in mind, guys. Live streams are good, getting to know you better. That's one of the reasons why I'm making this live stream. This is the live stream special exclusive live stream for 25,000 subscribers. Another will be for 50,000, like this one. I don't know when it's gonna happen. First 25,000 took me over 2 years to get, but this is like a base, so it can happen for another 2 years, or it may happen in few months. We don't know. I know many stories of people who got 25,000 subscribers and they had in next few months 100K, but not in Bali. But we will see the situation. Well done, mate. Greetings from Melbourne. Congratulations from India. Can't wait to see you in Bali. Yeah, and many of you guys gonna come to Bali also in October. So cool. If you have time, guys, you can always come, say hi. We can have a coffee or something. My coffee got cold. I'm trying to don't drink while I'm talking to you guys. They are classic, very expensive, very old to pay 100 euro. Yeah, the Vespa is Vespa, guys. What I gonna tell you? That's a pretty cool place when I'm flying drone just behind me, by the way. Why no motorbike for you now? for the safety reason mostly. Do you watch other YouTubers? I watch the other YouTubers, but not from Bali. I watch YouTubers from the other countries. I like to watch also tech YouTubers. Yeah, gonna drink coffee. My coffee is finished. You see, that's why I have to stop making this live stream and take another coffee. No, just kidding. I already had 2 or 3 today. Trying to make 3 coffees maximum a day. Sometimes I take 4 coffees a day, and that's already too much, a little bit. Bro, my body takes up to 3-4 off-road, so would be impossible to ride a scooter. Bro, guys, so yeah, now it's 64, 64, 94, 64. People watching me right now, thank you so much, guys. I'm subbing new here. Welcome all, guys. Welcome. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. Like I said at the beginning of the video, 70% of the views from the YouTube, what I get, they're coming from people who didn't subscribe to my YouTube channel. You know what I mean? It's like you have to subscribe. Even, it's very important. You don't need to search every single day the monkeys. You just subscribe and you're gonna get notifications every day. It's easier. 2 or bigger one. So yeah, that's how does it look like. What's the best daily market for us Europeans in Bali? Jimbaran sidewall I found to be pretty good. Do you have any place of? I don't know about Jimbaran, Lobo, but in Sanur where I live, one is in Kuta. Also, I really like Grand Lucky. The Grand Lucky is like a medium-sized supermarket, medium size, and there is Pepito, of course. This is the most suitable for us Europeans. Especially for Europeans, if you're looking for any kind of like stuff, that's the shops. Otherwise, everything is pretty local or pretty expensive. There's papaya in Kuta, I think, but it's more like into Japanese stuff. So yeah, I really like Grand Lucky and Pepito, right? Anyway, Mick bro, thank you so much for this super sticker. Really appreciate. Gonna have for some bintang on the beach later on, or coffee, or both. Actually, both will be cool. What happened with the secondary channel where you guys visited local warungs? Like I said, actually, it's in progress. When you gonna do it, when she gonna have a time, and when we're gonna travel together, they will definitely Winnie will doing the warung channel. Currently, she's very busy, even very hard for her to make being with me on the videos. So currently it's postponed, but it's active in general. It's not finished. It's not closed channel. So we will do it, definitely. Winnie will do it, especially about the food, right? I love it when it gets to 6 p.m. and they get to watch your video. So Angela, you can see my videos at 6 p.m. So 2 hours time difference. Anyways, today after this live stream, there will be video. I can tell you the video today will be from Seminyak, guys. So like I said, big thumb up and please watch it if you're not bored yet with this stuff. The video will be today as normal at 4 p.m. in 1 hour from now. Nothing has changed. This live stream is just additional bonus to that as we hit for 25,000 subscribers. So yeah, anyway, guys, if you don't have any more questions, I can see already the live chat is pretty quiet, guys. Anyways, I would like to say thank you so much one more time for everyone who watching this live stream and for everyone who subscribed during my journey to my channel. 25,000, very important milestone. Just the beginning of the journey, the serious journey right now. Yeah, what I can say. Today's video is again at 4 p.m. Tomorrow will be another one. What I gonna go now after this live stream to make it. One more time, I would like to say thank you. And yeah, guys, thank you so much. I start feeling a little bit shy, what to say. So 30 seconds will be actually exactly 1 hour when I'm doing this live stream. So I'm gonna finish very soon. Just subscriber from Perth. Thank you. Hello, Peter. How you doing? Yeah, bro. Actually, I already spoke about my movements, my plans, what I gonna do, where I gonna go previously. So, but not really detailed because I'm still in the process of planning. Definitely, I'm gonna go somewhere. At least 2 times till end of the year, I'm gonna go somewhere. One will be in November after you me going home, and one with Winnie during the Christmas and New Year. We're gonna go together. That's 100%, but I don't know yet 100% where. I didn't book the ticket yet. Actually, I booked the ticket for me and Winnie where we're gonna go during the Christmas and New Year, but I cannot tell you because I wanna keep it in secret. But where I gonna go in November, I don't know yet. Actually, in this week or next week, I need to book tickets. Actually, so I'm still thinking about that. Thanks for keeping us up to date with what's happening in Bali, especially during the COVID. Thank you so much, Ali, for watching. Anyway, super cheers to you, La Familia, only on your 25 subscribers. Donuts, your pots, your yard for sure. Thank you. All right, guys. That's it. I'm gonna finish in next 2 minutes, guys. So if you would like to say something, just do it. This is like a art of Heinz. I don't know. So funny, actually. As you can see, the buffering after the ad is pretty slow. I don't know why. The internet. Congrats, 25K. When Bali will let unvax like in Thailand, I have no idea, my friend. Thailand is taking everyone now, mostly because they make it easier to do it. I don't know. Definitely not before G20. Everything because of G20 is very strict in Bali, and G20 is in middle of November. So before, and then it's Christmas time. So I don't think so. Probably next year, if so. Where did you buy that awesome triple adapter from? This one? This one? This adapter is pretty common in every shop in Bali. I'm buying it because it's like very convenient. It's a small thing, yeah, just in the shop, in the Grand Lucky, if I'm not mistaken, or in Pepito, anywhere actually, yeah. There's like $2 adapter. That's it. You don't have it like this one in your country? I love gadget. So funny actually about the adapter. I don't know. It's like common thing here. Congrats, my girlfriend and I are coming from Perth from the 24th for the month. Thank for your videos, always very helpful. Welcome. I hope so you're gonna guys enjoy. Yeah, bro, you can buy one when you are here and you can keep it with you. It's actually very small, very cheap, very convenient. And there's like a safety button as well. You can switch on, switch off, like underneath, like. All right, guys, I'm getting tired already of talking. Some of you guys already switching off. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, for listening, for your congratulations and stuff like this. Don't forget, today at 4 p.m. there will be just a regular video as always. This is just the bonus. I will see if you don't watch it, okay? Like I said, I'm seriously can see that. So, bro, can you delay this guy? Who is that bot? Unbelievable. Lindy bought from Lazada this thing. So yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for listening. I hope so. I will see you on the video, what is in 40 minutes. And I will finish this and live stream just literally in 1 minute from now. If you want to say goodbye to each other or to me or something, just do it now, because in 1 minute from now, I'm going to switch off this live stream. See ya, guys. Thank you so much. By the way, this is a very nice place. What is you can see in the screen behind me. That's my drone shots from Tamblingan Lake. Have you ever been there? Thank you for your videos. We always watch it from Singapore. Thank you so much. See you later. Have a great holiday, Mick. Thanks, Damian. Look forward to night videos. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Also, I have this gadget to put light on my face. It's very cool, actually. I'm not vlogging using this one because it's super eye-catchy and super strong, but it's good to making sometimes the shots, especially at home. Yeah. So it's cool stuff. Thank you for the live stream. And yeah, thank you so much, guys. I'll see you later. See ya. Take care.